Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Crisp Call automatically. So here let's say that I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my Crisp Call account. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Crisp Call. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Crisp Call automatically. So here let's say that I have a dairy business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated, then I want to create that lead as a contact in my Crisp Call account. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Crisp Call automatically. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads to Crisp Call automation. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Crisp Call automatically. So whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, then automatically it should be added as a contact in my Crisp Call account. So to automate this entire process, firstly I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So this trigger will start working whenever a new lead will be submitted in a specified lead gen form associated with my Facebook page. So now moving to the action window, as I want to create it as a contact in my Crisp Call account. So over here I'm going to search for Crisp Call as my action application, and the action event will be to add contact. So this will create a new contact in my Crisp Call account. So as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving ahead in this automation, firstly I need to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I will simply connect with Facebook lead ads. I've already logged into my account in one of the tabs. Make sure you also do the same. So this here is my Facebook account, and now I'm going to click on continue. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So over here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form part. So over here, this is the Facebook page that I've created for my dairy, that is by the name of Humble Cows Dairy. So firstly, I'm going to select my page as Humble Cows Dairy. Here it is. And now moving to the lead gen form associated with my Facebook page. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that these are the two forms that I've created. So I'm going to use this form that is by the name of Dairy Business, and this is how the form appears. So over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly, I'm going to select the lead gen form as well. So as you can see that I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, over here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I will go to a new tab, and over here I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to more, and now I will go to tools. So over here under developer tools, this here is the lead ads RTO debug tool. So this is the lead ads testing tool, and by using this we are going to create a test lead. So I'm going to select the page that was Humble Cows Dairy, and now over here I'm going to select the form associated with it, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead gen form, and over here I filled in the details of full name, email and phone number. So after filling these details, I'm going to submit this form. And here you can see it says, thanks, you are all set. Thank you for submitting. So here it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully created a test lead, and the details of that test lead has been sent to Pabbly Connect. So taking it to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see that just now I have received a response. So this here is the full name, that was dummy user. Over here you can see the email address, that was dummyyuser@pabblytuts.com. Here's the phone number, and this here is the created date and time. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have received the details of the new lead that I've just created. So we have successfully set up the first objective of this automation. Now, whenever a new lead will be created through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as in Pabbly Connect, I have got the details of the lead. Now by using these details, I want to create a contact in my CrispCall account. So to create a contact, firstly I need to build a connection between CrispCall and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to mention the API key and the secret key. So for that, I'm going to take you to my CrispCall account. So this here is my CrispCall account. So over here I will go to settings, and in settings I will go to developer. So here under developer, this here is the API key and this here is the secret key. So I'm simply going to copy both of these details, and in these fields I'm going to paste it. So here I'm going to click on save. So over here you can see that CrispCall and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to this field of name. So over here I need to mention the name of the lead. That means the name of the contact that should be created in my CrispCall account. So here to do that, I'm going to map the name. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as we have received some details through Facebook lead ads, so that is why over here in these fields, we are going to map those details. So now over here, I'm going to map the email address. So as you can see that I've mapped the name, phone number and the email address because these were the details which I've received through Facebook lead ads. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So as I've mapped the details in these fields, so now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So here an ID has been generated. That means a contact has been successfully created in my CrispCall account. Here you can see the contact details as well. So over here in my CrispCall account under contacts, you can see that a new contact has been created successfully. So here you can see that the name is dummy user. Here you can see the phone number and this here is the email address. So here that means a contact has been successfully created in my CrispCall account through Facebook lead ads. So this automation was a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be created as a contact in my CrispCall account. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.